What's up, guys? I'm on the channel. What we're gonna today, it's gonna be a little chill video today. It's gonna be more just doing a bunch of things around the house. Gonna go Planet Fitness to cancel my membership because I don't go to the gym anymore. For one, I kind of want to go buy the equipment myself and do it in my basement than have to drive a half hour every day to go to the gym. And just it's mainly that. It's mainly because I like to go to the gym. Oh god, freaking sun's like blinding me out right there. But you know, I don't mind going to the gym. I love to go to the gym, but it's a half hour away from me. For me, that's $20 extra every day for my car to get there and back. Probably $10 to $20. It's probably 20 bucks though. So you know, 10, that's $50 a week of just in gas, just to go to the gym. Well, 10, 50 to $100 extra a week to go to the gym. So you know, I don't want to spend that. That's $400 just in $400 to $200 just in gas a month. So yeah, I'm gonna cancel that because I just don't need it anymore. I've been doing just push-ups and doing things like that just to do workouts at home, and I'll be buying weights soon just to do it at home and stuff like that. But oh, Waddies, you always choose the worst moments to play, don't you? You always say, oh, he looks like he's doing something. He looks like he's doing something. I'm gonna bother him. That's just a husky thing to do, isn't it? It's just a husky thing. Oh God, it's just a husky thing to do, anyways, isn't it? Here, turn the light on for you. We gotta change those lights. It's like they're yellow. We need like a white light in here. Give her the toy. Give her the toy. Come on. Give me the toy, girl. Come on. Ah. All right. But yeah, so we gotta go Planet Fitness, cancel that. We're gonna cook some dinner. I'll show you guys how I cook my meal prep. So today's Wednesday actually, so it's really just for the next couple of days. Technically, I guess Saturday if you want to eat some, have some lunch. It's probably gonna be my lunch because I don't have dinner at my mom's house today. So that's the thing with my mom's house, so we might do a cooking car episode with my girlfriend maybe later. She gets off work early today, so maybe we do something like that. Sorry, I'm walking in circles. I'm playing with a dog, and I'm walking literally in circles right here because the other dog out here likes to bite on her when she brings me a toy. And, right, Mimai? I gotta feed you guys. They gotta feed themselves. But yeah, so she gets out early, so maybe we'll do a cooking car episode. I'm not quite sure exactly. Oh God, Shadow, easy, girl. So yeah, so obviously we're over house today, so I don't know if today's video is gonna come out or not. I don't think a video is gonna be out today unless I do find a quick thing I can record and edit. That'd be the only thing I can probably do. Oh, haha, haha. You can't get. There you go, haha. But yeah, so other than that, it's gonna be just kind of random stuff today and what's gonna happen. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but something's gonna happen. So if you guys want to just chill out, hang out for a little bit, come on board, we'll just hang out, chill, talk, and play with dogs. There you go. I'm gonna throw a toy, okay? I'm gonna throw a toy, I'm gonna get your food ready, I'm gonna get all your things ready, alright? Alright, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, so right now I'm chopping up chicken here. I got some rice boiling right there. I got the vegetables next to the GoPro right there. Right now I'm just seasoning up the stuff here. I'm not using all this. I'm not using chili powder, cumin. I'm using paprika, ground mustard, cayenne pepper, black pepper, Italian season, onion powder, and there's garlic powder. Garlic powder is over somewhere. No, and a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt because summertime. Summertime I add a little salt to things because you know I need salt for sweating, blah blah, all that good stuff. Especially I've been sweating like a storm for the past couple of days. I know the garlic. I just had the garlic. I don't know about the garlic. Where did I just put the garlic? I'm probably looking right at it too. It's one of those things, I'm looking right at it. If I'm not looking right at it, I can't be, because I'm not that blind. It's missing, so we're going with it. Alright, so we got some chicken here, some right here, rice is boiling. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Probably about 10 minutes left of that.
10 minutes.
What I do is just throw the chicken into a bowl like this. I'm making a stir fry, but I'm trying something a little different. I'm seasoning the chicken up first. I'm seasoning the rice in its own little thing, and then the vegetables I'm gonna do its own little thing. And then just put it all into one big thing. So I leave the rice. I don't know what to do with that actually. Probably should put that. Okay, I'll figure it out. Just too many pots and pans at this point now. That's why I usually just do it. Yeah, I don't know. So somehow somebody will cook the vegetables in there, and then there, everywhere. Give a dog a bone, whatever you want to call it. So, but I just sprinkle some little. I don't go crazy on seasoning. It's, you know, throw a little bit. Just throw a little seasoning in it. Throw a little bit there. I'd say I try to stick with like just like, you know, basic seasonings. So I don't want to go like, you know, making like, I want to taste the chicken. You know, I like to taste the chicken. I do like to taste the chicken. So, you know, I don't want it to be like just all seasoning taste and stuff like that. So, you know, just throw a little bit here. I love my pepper. It's the one thing I do actually love, and I will never. You can never have too much pepper. Okay, you can have too much pepper, but it's a lot of pepper for me to say that. Spread some olive oil on it. You never have enough olive oil either. I love my olive oil. I use olive oil in everything. Olive oil is my one thing I use in all my recipes. I bake with it. I fry in it. I do this with it. I do everything with it. I need cayenne pepper. That's what I'm missing. This. I like spice too. I like my spice. Alright. Alright, I found the garlic, I put it back. I don't know why I put it back. But I use a little turmeric. Turmeric's really healthy for you. If you ever, I don't know what it is exactly. It's a root, I guess. But it's really good for you. Tastes really good. If you want to add like a little yellow color to your rice, that's the way to go. And I always add to my rice now, because actually it always comes out so damn good. It always has a nice flavor in it now. I always have a hard time flavoring my rice, but ever since I started using turmeric in it, it just does all the flavoring for you. It just puts it all together nicely. I'm no chef, but I like to cook a lot. not by choice sometimes, but everyone loves my stuff. So you can take some advice from me. I'm no chef though. No chef, but I do have common sense when it comes to flavor and, you know, all the good stuff with that. But I got to keep talking about this chicken here, and then we get onto the rice. I mean, well, the rice is already cooking right there. We'll get onto the vegetables, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. Who knows? Who knows what happened today? Alright, so I got the rice all finished up here. I got some of the chicken going, the rice going. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to cook them all just yet, but I do got my wok. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should do this in that pot, actually. I might do this in that pot and then a wok. That'd probably be the easiest. Yeah, I know. You guys can judge me on my cabinet here. It sucks. Trust me, it sucks. It sucks. So, what I might just do, I might just throw all the rice into the pot, and then I'm gonna use that to cook the chicken, and I'll use this to cook the veggies. Oh, okay. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, I think. And then we'll pull it all together. We'll do our. Add some. Oh, I hope I have some teriyaki. This does not work without my teriyaki. All right, I got some. I got plenty of teriyaki there. I got plenty of teriyaki. We're good. All right, so we're gonna get going on some vegetables, chicken, get it all going, and then I gotta clean this all up. Please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. Oh, perfect. So, alright, so actually I'm trying to switch up this video a little bit. I'm going to try to get this uploaded for today, and then maybe I'm trying to get a video tonight with my girlfriend to make for tomorrow. So I don't know what I'm going to do exactly, but I do a cooking car episode. I always do end up doing one of those. But, what do you call it? We got to just go through some updates. Right now, we're in the process. Well, it's getting closer to Danger Ranger. I just booked the house for October 12th to the 16th, I think it is. Yeah, the 16th. Or, yeah, 16th. Or no. Not the 12th. No, I think it's the 8th, 9th, and 16th. Whatever it is. No. Sorry, oh no. Yeah, it's the 9th. The 9th to the 16th, I believe it is. So Danger Rangers, I think on the 12th, which is on that Saturday. I don't know if it's the 12th or not. I forget. I don't know the dates at this point. I just know it's the weekend, that weekend. So, we're going to do that. Sorry. Shadow! What are you doing? But all right, so yeah, so basically what's gonna be happening with everything. All right. So the Danger Ranger truck, we're gonna be getting out. We're gonna get her all situated because I don't think we're gonna be able to build another truck this year, just because I have so many things I have to spend money on other than the truck, and I got to do some. I have to go do some things for businesses and things like that. This merchandise, I have some merchandise right there, which I'm gonna reveal as well. Maybe I'll do an unofficial reveal in here. So if you're this part of the video here, you guys get a little hint on what's happening in the channel. So we got these shirts right here. I actually will be putting the description down in the description from now on. Probably I'm gonna change it up to be the website. You can't order these shirts online now. This is unofficial. Like, this is not a real shirt. No, it is a real shirt. But the real shirt says "Stay Maverick" and whatever it takes. Just meaning that the brand is supposed to be about just meeting yourself and being yourself and doing whatever it takes. Do whatever it takes to do what you want in life, basically. That's kind of like what the whole brand's supposed to be about. It's just do whatever it takes, be different than everyone else. Don't be afraid to be different, and just go do what you need to do. And I gotta go make some chicken, damn it. All right, I put a lid over it to help it cook the chicken a little better. But yeah, so we got this shirt here. We got the Danger Ranger shirt over here. Danger Ranger edition. You got Mr. Rango all mangled up, which you guys probably can't see that very well, probably. Turn on the lights on the house, might as well, right? Turn on the lights on so y'all can see it. Right, puppers? Right, puppers? So yeah, so we got this shirt here. You got, oh, God, all right. So you got this shirt here, Danger Ranger shirt, BRB, break, race, what is it, build, race, break. Story of Rango. And what's this one? I forget what this one is. I don't know which ones I even ordered. So this one is, stuck bolt procedure. And this is a ratchet, double wrench, breaker bar, language, burn it, repeat. After you burn it, you go back to ratchet, and you go down the line of everything else. Or you skip down to things. And then our second shirt here, our third shirt or fourth shirt, whatever it is, this is the one I really love. Like, this is the one I really. Oh God, I just dropped it on the floor. That was like the main thing I did not want to do. So this one is the BRB shirt, just on its own. It's build, race, and break, and we got wrenches there. We got the stage light, and then we also have a broken motor right there. So put these shirts back up here. So but that's like an unofficial release. If you guys want to order any of the shirts, stay ordered down in the description right down below for MaverickSyndicateCo.com, which is Maverick Syndicate Co. Corporation, whatever you want to call it. All right. So, sorry, guy came knocking on the door, blah, blah, so. But, yeah, so Danger Ranger, you guys start working on him and stuff like that. I'm gonna start working on, my God, the semi-truck. I'm killing myself. Semi-truck, get that thing up and going. And, I guess we're ordering parts for it. I'm sorry, I'm just choking on spit or something in my throat. But yeah, so we got the chicken all done here. I'm gonna let that cool sit in the juice. I did not want to do it this way, but the guy came, I put it on simmer, and it got moist. It got moist, really moist. So something like that. So I'm gonna let it sit in the juice, let the juices roll back into the chicken. We gotta get the vegetables going and stuff like that, and we'll get back into talking more about things for you guys in a second. All right, so I gotta clean up a little bit here. I also got my little dish here I made, so I'm gonna try that out in a few minutes. I already tried a little bit. It's really good still. Yeah, so listen, we're gonna start working on Danger Ranger truck. We're gonna start working on PD, which is the semi. I gotta order the parts tomorrow or tonight, at some point tonight or tomorrow. I gotta order the parts. Anything else? I got some pranks coming too, so I got some ideas for that. But I'm gonna end the video up here because yeah, just I want to get a video out today. Probably just get this uploaded, and then I'm gonna go out and then record whatever we're gonna record tonight, tomorrow, whatever it is. That's what you get tomorrow. So if you guys enjoy the video, please hit like down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes for all your dreams. Don't let anyone in your way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys on the next one.